Hi everyone, I'm present here with many more pimples. I told you yesterday it's gonna get doubled up, so let's go. I'm here to meet my friends and a new friend, so it's going to be fun. And let's see. And I look pretty! I got these are my favorite pair of earrings. I don't know why, but just something about them is screams pretty for me. So let's go and see what these girlies are up to. Oh nice. Confident and beautiful हो गई. Nice, good one. Everyone, so I was just walking around and I saw this cafe has such beautiful ambience. I don't know what you call it, but it's very pretty, so just look at it. I know you can't see me, John Cena who, but what I'm trying to do is do my favorite thing over here at this cafe, which is go for the swing. So it's super fun. So let's do it. So this is my favorite thing to do, go on the swings. And it's really dark, but I get it. It's nice. So let's just swing. So make sure you have basically you give your inner child all the freedom that you need to explore yourself and to make your inner child really happy, because I do these things and I really enjoy it. So make sure you do such stuff and live your best life. And I had the best time with my friends. It was so much fun. And there's also one thing that I want to discuss with them if they found that weird as well. So before leaving, we'll do that. We'll discuss that. Hello, hi. So I'm back in a bun and a lot of sweat. It's really humid out there. But I had really fun day with the girls and it was super fun. The conversation was great. We had coffee. And one thing that was amazing, and we gossiped as well, of course. Actually हुआ क्या, हमारे सामने वाले टेबल पे there was this lady, very beautiful lady, but I think there was some fiasco with her eye makeup. What she did was she had applied two different types of neon green. One is an eyeshadow, one is an eyeliner. I think that really could have been something, but it just didn't suit very well, because what she did is she applied that and then kajal underneath, and it wasn't really happening. But then I was like, instead of judging, just imagine from her perspective. I really tried to, which was that maybe she was trying to do something new and that's why she tried that, but it didn't go very well. But the good thing was she had a supporting partner. I assume that was her partner. I don't know if anyone on that table was her partner or not, but ये वाला support चाहिए यार. No matter what I look or what I do, I want to look my best, and I want my partner to tell me that, babe, oh my god, even with the neon eyeshadow thing, you're the you're the it girl and you're all I want. Oh my god, how amazing is that? And I think I've got an amazing idea where I would do really amazing eyeshadow thing. You would know when I would do that, and roam around and see how people react to that, because it's a fun experiment to do, and it's always fun to be judged and to be looked at. To be looked at, I don't know, but to be fun and goofy and being judged a little bit, why not? I want a piece of that attention. Why not? So with this, I would like to end today's vlog. It was really fun and I hope you had fun too watching it, and I'll see you very very soon. So yeah, see you, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.